If you're like me and you've been working at home for almost a year, stuff has gotten pretty weird. You might be feeling like a feral cat. You're ungroomed, you're not sleeping right, it's hard to focus on your work. And if you're in charge of your company's video marketing, you might feel like you're just not up to getting on camera and doing the video marketing you know you need to be doing. You might not look the way you want to look. Maybe you've gained a few pounds, or your lighting isn't right, or your mic isn't right. You want to help with some of those production things, but you don't have to be fancy. What people want in video marketing is the same thing they want from any of your content marketing. They want you to be helpful. And it's your job to find out how to help them better. Sometimes that's about your specific product, but more than likely, that's about your expertise in your given industry. So it doesn't matter if you're a cat or a dog, you can just be yourself. Really, you don't have to be fancy, you don't have to be funny, you just have to be helpful. That's my opinion.